Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I have got the GelBoxUK box for March. It is March, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's March. It is a bit delayed this month because I completely forgot to message the GelBoxUK team to give them my new address, because obviously I've been working at my mum and dad's for ages anyway, even after moving out, like home-wise. So I've been having them delivered there because I worked there, so it was just easier than me having to take this there to work basically. And then I suddenly realised the other day that it's probably been delivered. I just didn't know because I haven't been there every day working and my mum and dad were on holiday, so I've only just got my hands on it. Very excited to see what's inside, so let's go straight in and stop chewing your ears off. Very excited. So this is the top of it and what that looks like. I'm intrigued. So you might think this box is arriving a bit early, given that summer hasn't arrived yet. That is very true. Leopard print, zebra print and tortoise are timeless classics. Everybody loves them all year round. Ooh, so that's a nice hint of what we're getting then. Greens, khaki greens, browns and tortoise. How exciting. Amazing. Right, let's get straight into it then and have a look. So these are the nails that you'll be able to create with the colours in the box, so that always gives you a clue of what's inside. But let's get right into it. I'm also going to swatch the colours as well as usual. Ooh, I love a scrunchie. I am so happy there's a scrunchie in there. I wear scrunchies every day for work, so we'll definitely use that. There's also a brush in here that's double-ended. It's got a spotter, I was going to say. I suppose it is sort of a spotter, but it's got a dotter on one side and a brush on the other. So that's fab. We've also got some grunge gel, which is that like solid stuff. So that one's white, as you can clearly see. And then this one is black. Oh, it's black sparkly. I'm not going to open it because I'll get it everywhere. Black is just one of those things, isn't it, that manages to spread itself all over the place, but you can see the specks of sparkle in there. So we've got those. Another sticker. We've got a cuticle oil. I always say about how much I love these. But I really do. Like, they always smell beautiful. I absolutely love them. We've got a nail file. These nail files are really good quality as well. The grit on them is great. This is an 180 grit. It's very rare that I use the 80 grit side because I don't do extensions anymore and stuff like that, so I just don't need to, but I'll use the 180 for sure. Sorry about that. You wouldn't have even known, but I just had to take a quick pause to sneeze. So I'm just taking the colours out, and obviously I'll show you them properly in a sec because I'm gonna swatch them anyway. So I'm just gonna pop this away for a second so it's out of the way. She says. Apparently that's a lot easier said than done. There we go. Right, I'm gonna get rid of the bag that came in. Clean my desk because I've just done another unboxing, so there's glitter everywhere. So we've got 4 colours. We've got Safari. Not entirely sure what that says. I'm terrible at understanding anyone's handwriting, including my own, so that's not ideal, but I'm going to show you them upside down, so if you can, I'm assuming that's Hero, that's upside down. Savage, Hero, not overly sure. No idea. And Safari. So that's those 4 there. I'm excited to see what they look like on sticks. So I've got some sticks next to me to be able to swatch them straight away. Get my lamp ready. Right, so let's start off with this end. So this one's Safari. I'm just going to give it a quick roll between my hands to make sure that it's all mixed up, because it looks like it might have pieces of some sort in it, which we want to distribute evenly, because obviously they are really large bottles. They're 20 millilitres. So if anything's ever got any glitter in or bits and bobs of any sort, I always like to make sure that they're, well, everywhere basically, and not just at the very bottom of the bottle. So let's do the first coat of this one. See how this looks. Ooh, this is different. It's like confetti. Beautiful, very different. It's like jelly with stuff inside, which is quite cool. I'm gonna pop that in a lamp. So the next colour is the one that I can't pronounce, and it's like a, well, it is a khaki green, it's not like a khaki green. Sorry if you can hear the dog's feet on the floor. She's running around like a lunatic because my partner's just got back from work. So I'm just gonna pop a layer of this on, nice and thin. I do need a nice khaki green actually. It is one that I always seem to struggle to buy. Well, I don't struggle to buy them, I just struggle to get a good colour is what I meant. So that's that one. I'll pop that in the lamp as well. Start it again. So will you just stop running around please? The next one is Hero. And it's like a mustard yellow. It's a bit darker than a mustard yellow, I'd say. Well, actually, when you put it on, it's not. It just looks like it is in the bottle when it's all a lot thicker, more pigmented, like lots of it all in one place sort of thing. So that's one coat of that one. And then last but not least, we've got Savage, I think. Yeah, I think so. This has also got some bits in by the looks of it. It's a very dark brown with, ooh, some gold in it as well. This is beautiful. My clients love stuff like this. Like, they still have those springy ones. I'll find one because I can't explain things very well, as you're all well aware by now. But they still have those spring ones that the GelBoxUK brought out. I think it was last year. Let me just find one. I think one of them's on here. Yeah, the ones with the black speckles in. I use those so often. There's 4 of them. A pink, a lilac, a nude, and a like, greeny grey blue. I don't actually know what colour it's technically meant to be, but some of my clients call it green, some call it grey, and some call it blue, so I just say all of them. So I'm going to do the second coat now of all of these colours. This is amazing, it's so different. Definitely don't have anything like this already, which is good. This is really cool. You know, like as a nail tech, I'm assuming everyone does it. Like when you get new colours and you're swatching them and stuff, you can see sort of who's going to be having those colours. So in my head I'm just imagining like, oh, so-and-so is going to definitely love that. Which is good, because then you know you're going to get use out of it. So that's the green. I always like to put my hand behind swatches to show you the proper colour payoff, because you can't really go off like a clear stick, because obviously when are nails ever going to be completely clear when they're on a client, unless they've got extensions and the tips are clear? Like that's it really, because if it's on a nail, obviously it's going to have the nail bed as the background colour. It's not just going to be completely see-through, so it's not really a very good judge of the coverage of a colour, I don't think. I don't usually do the second coat on camera, to be fair. I just remembered now that I don't usually, but never mind. Dog's crying because my partner is outside pumping up my tyre, and she's obviously missed him all day when he's been at work, so she wants him to come back in. There's always got to be some sort of noise in the background of this house. Well, I suppose there was at my mum's as well, to be fair. The dogs used to trot through there all the time, and there's the washing machine in the room. At least I don't have the washing machine problem now, that's a good thing. I absolutely love this one. I think this might be my favourite. I don't know if you can see on camera, but oh yeah, you can. It's got flecks of gold in it as well as the bits. It's amazing. So I'm just going to quickly top coat these, and then I'll show you them all put together. So here are the 4 different gels. put them against my hand. They're all beautiful. I absolutely love that brown. Like, that is by far my favourite. I love that so much. But that's what they all look like anyway. The discount code will be up here for the duration of this video, so you can definitely use that to get some money off the subscription boxes. They're well worth it, because as you can see, you get 4 gels in there and lots of other bits and bobs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye!